If your company sells a software product or anything that can be demonstrated online over the web, then you want to make sure you get this right, because delivering a good demo can make or break your sales. One of the things I like to do before starting the demo and going around the room and after getting introductions and everybody introducing themselves is go back to the decision maker, say their name is Mary, and say, Mary, what's the most important thing that I can show you today? And make sure you write that down and then open it up to the rest of the group. Anybody else? Anything really important that I can show you today? Now you've got your normal process that your salespeople are going to go through in delivering the demo. And I have in the sales playbook and below the method I use for making sure you deliver a really good demo. Because once again, you can make your sale right there depending on the price point of your product. But getting back to the other point, it's important that you show the decision maker what they wanted to see. You can get to the other people as well. And if they're willing to stay on long, make sure you get to their points in the question and what they wanted to see. But you want to make sure that the decision maker comes away with their question answers so they're satisfied so that they can go ahead. Now, here's something that I've used that has brought me business. If you're selling a lower price point product, one where they can make the decision right away, if you've got the decision maker on the demo, at the end of the demo, you can just simply say, so what'd you think? And they'll probably say, hopefully they'll say, that was great. I think we can really use it. Then say, well, can I sign you up? Or would you like to join if it's a subscription service? But you can close deals right there at the end of the demo. As long as you have delivered the value, they agree with that, and you've got the decision maker on the line. This one tip could really get you a lot of sales. Let's keep going.